Hey sightseers, Wisconsin's known for having some of the harshest winters in the United States. Today I'm taking you out in the middle of a winter storm just so you can see for yourself how crazy the weather can get when we're hit with some major snow. Well, it looks like the plow hasn't even come through yet, and we're just walking through tracks that another vehicle left as they came through down our road. It would be a lot more difficult to be walking if we didn't have these tracks to walk through, for sure. So we're going to step off the road here, and you'll be able to see then just how deep or how much snow we've gotten in the last couple of weeks. I'm walking through and it's up over my knees in some spots. That's the path I just forged through here. Originally, they were predicting like anywhere from 6 to 12 inches. They've raised that. Now it's anywhere from 8 to 14 inches. I'm guessing we're going to probably hit up close to the 14 inches on this storm. I really don't recommend going out in the storm unless you have a high clearance vehicle. You're likely going to get stuck, and considering we're supposed to get this snow over the span of the next 12 hours or so, I think the plows aren't going to be out, at least not out on the secondary roads, and definitely not out here in the boonies. I've already shoveled the walk-off 3 times for the dogs. Looks like I'm going to have to do it again. Poor Mabel. She's going to get drowned in the snow. Just to give you an idea of how deep it is. You better enjoy shoveling snow because if you live in Wisconsin, you'll be doing lots of it between November and April. This is where Ty and I walked in yesterday. Look at how high the snowbank is now. And you can barely even see the path that I forged in. There it is. Just to give you an idea of how much snow we got yesterday, I believe totals were close to 20 inches in our area. I think I need to get myself some snowshoes.